Hey guys, Kirby here, and today I'm going to be showing you my nighttime skincare routine for oily acne prone skin. I'm starting off with makeup free skin because I just came home from the gym. My first step is always cleanser. At night there are two different cleansers I like to use, the Neutrogena All-in-One Acne Control and the Pore Purifying Cleanser from Dr. Brandt. Both are really good, but for this video, I'll be using Neutrogena. This scrub exfoliates past acne marks, clears present breakouts, and helps prevent future breakouts. It also contains 2% salicylic acid, which is great for treating acne. Once I work that into a lather, I rinse the product off and I wipe my face with a clean towel. Make sure to frequently wash your face towels because if you don't, it can attribute to your acne problems. Next, I apply toner. I chose to use the all-wheel toner because it is designed for oily skin, which I suffer from. I also like the clean, crisp design of this bottle. It goes well with my bathroom aesthetic. After that, I use an under eye cream. Here I'm using No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt. I just lightly pat that in under my eye using my ring finger. I know I suffer from oily skin, but now I'm going to go in with a more beneficial oil. Here I'm using the CEO Glow by Sunday Riley. It helps to brighten the skin and create a natural glow. After that, I go in with my night serum. I'm using Pharmacy's Honeymoon Glow. It helps with the texture of my skin, which has drastically improved since using this. Always make sure to apply product to your neck. It's one of the first things to show age. Last, I use a lip sleeping mask. I feel my lips are one of my best features, and this keeps them soft and lipstick ready. And that is my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that helped you in some way. And I also hope to see you again. Bye bye.